Mr. Kuldeep, congratulations on securing All India Rank 3 in Civil Engineering branch in Engineering Service Examination 2020.
Thank you very much, sir. I'm very happy for securing All India Rank 3rd in the Engineering Services exam.
Right.
And sir, I'm very thankful to the teachers and my family and friends.
Right. Very good. It is a very proud moment for all of us, Mr. Kuldeep.
Yes,
Kuldeep, Kuldeep, can you please tell us briefly about your educational background?
Yes, sir. Sir, my hometown is in Charkhidadri, Haryana. I have done my schooling from here up to 12th. After that, I have joined NIT Kurukshetra, Civil Engineering. And after that, my college, I am pursued 1 year classroom coaching for engineering services. Then after I'm got selected, and I'm very happy for it, sir.
Okay, Kuldeep. When did you pass out, Kuldeep, your degree?
Sir, in 2018.
2018,
sir.
18. Very good, Kuldeep. Kuldeep, which coaching program you have availed from ACE Engineering Academy?
Sir, from ACE Engineering Academy, I have taken mains online test series for mains.
Okay, Kuldeep.
Sir, one more thing, I have also taken one mock interview, online mock interview.
So you have taken interview guidance program also from ACE Academy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, Kuldeep. Kuldeep, I think the marks also out now. How many marks you have got in the prelims, mains, and interview and total?
Yes, sir. In total, I am getting, sir, 874 marks, sir. In interview, I am scoring 122 marks. In mains, I have got second highest all over India, that is 487 marks. And in my prelims, I got 265 marks.
Oh, mains of 480 plus means is extraordinary marks, Kuldeep.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
From
what is the secret? What is the secret, Kuldeep? You could score so many marks in the mains examination of engineering services. What was your approach as far as the mains exams are concerned?
Yes, sir. I'm very glad to share my approach about mains, sir. Sir, mains is all about your speed, sir. You have improve on your speed with a good amount of accuracy. So, sir, I sold many test series for mains. I took 3 test series from different coaching, sir, and I sold them all. I remember in my earlier time, I used to solve only 4.5 questions in whole 3 hours. Then after just I sold many tests and tests, I have given about 60-70 in total. So, sir, my speed starts improving after giving each test. And, sir, in last, sir, I attempted whole paper, sir, with also some time left.
Okay. Please tell us how the ACE Academy's mock test series helped you in cracking this examination such a good rank.
Yes, sir. Mock interview session, I would say suggest for every candidate. It is best for interview because a real environment you will feel just like engineering service. I took ACE Academy mock interview, and sir tell me about you should your technical knowledge is very good, but you should improve upon some areas like social areas about your city, about your town, and then I also improved, sir. So, sir, it
Okay,
was
Kuldeep.
a nice experience.
Mr. Kuldeep, we want to know particularly how ACE Academy mock test series helped you in cracking this examination.
Sir, as I'm getting good marks in the interview, so sir, interview can be done good by giving 2-3 mock tests, sir. I have given
No,
two.
please understand. I'm asking you mock test series, mock test series.
Okay, test series, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes.
I just thought, sir, it's interview, sir, mock interview. Okay, sir. Test series, like, sir, in ACE Academy, they are like comprehensive, wide coverage of all the civil engineering questions. There were like 8 questions, and ACE Engineering Academy questions were on a bit tougher side. Means questions level are very good as compared to engineering services. So sir, I sold many like 8 to 10 tests of ACE Engineer Academy, and my speed just improved by giving these tests, sir.
Okay. Coming to the actual main examination of engineering services.
Yes, sir.
Uh, so because you got a 480 plus marks, I think you have attempted all the 5 questions within the given time.
Yes, sir. I attempted full paper, sir.
Could you complete well before the scheduled time of 3 hours?
Yes, sir. I have completed, and 5 minutes are left. So, sir, I'm very happy to solve complete, and some time also remaining to recheck my mistakes and all, sir.
Okay, Kuldeep, we are so curious to know your actual approach on the day of main examination. So initially, how you have started, with the order that you have answered the questions. People say that the selection of questions, time management are the crucial factors. So, what was your approach on the day of the actual main examination?
Yes, sir. Sir, on the day of examination, like there is such kind of anxieties and pressure on you. So, sir, just remember your hard work in past 1 year. So, feel comfortable about that. That I have worked hard in past, and I will going good in this paper. Sir, in specifically in paper, I just took 10 to 20 minutes for my question selection. I just chosen 5 important questions which I am doing, and I arranged them all in a ascending order. Like this one question is hard, this is simple, and this is so easy. So sir, I attempted very easy first, and then by hard to hard, then most hard. So sir, your question selection is very important on that day. Your all uh, performance will depend on question selection. So just give 10 to 15 to 20 minutes on the question selection, and just after your question selection, just do speedily your questions, by easy to hard, this way.
Right. So that is a good approach. Many toppers also said the same thing.
One more
Initially,
thing, sir. One more thing I want to share, sir. First attempt numerical question, because they take less time than theory questions. Theory questions do just after the numerical questions. Means in the last you just do.
yeah, that is a good approach actually. One more thing, one more advantage in the particular approach. What the top advantage is, critical questions. If you have time, you can elaborate also. In case you do not have sufficient time, you can compress them also. That
Yes, sir.
flexibility is in the case of critical questions. It is
Yes, sir.
always better. You and I to feel attempting numerical questions in the beginning, and in the end,
Yes,
attempting
sir.
the critical question is the best advice.
Yes, sir. Sir, this all comes from test series, sir. Whether you perform test series good or bad, but on the day of real examination, your hard work will play a main role, sir. So, sir, just give a specific half an hour time to a question. Do not just mug up and just confuse in questions, and just do.
Okay, Kuldeep, uh, did you refer to any textbooks also for your preparation?
Sir, for my preparation, I have solved previous year questions.
So you
And
did not refer to any textbooks.
no, sir, no textbook.
So
Sir, one more thing, you can solve the like IES question, previous year questions, civil service previous year questions. Because sir, in past trend, we have seen like some questions are just repeated from the civil services questions.
अच्छा, so आप बोलना चाहते हैं कि आप टेक्स्ट बुक रेफर नहीं करिए,
Yes, sir.
आप रेफर नहीं करें, आप रेफर
सर
नहीं
मैं
करें.
सर मैंने रेफर नहीं किया था सर.
Okay, right, okay, that's what I'm asking. Right. What was your what you mean to say the daily preparation approach, and how many subjects that you used to study, how you used to revise?
Yes,
थोड़ा डिटेल से बताइए.
okay, sir. Sir, my journey was different, sir, because I thought of engineering service in my last year of college, sir. Generally, students plan prepare in the college days, but I thought of it doing in after my graduation, sir. I have joined L&T for about 4 and 5 months. Then after I decided that I will start my full preparation from the 2019 February. Sir, I rigorously follows the coaching and coaching notes. I used to solve previous year questions daily, then used to solve get previous year questions. And one more thing, sir, I do 1 2 questions of conventional questions. So, sir, you can make a better understanding of the concept, sir, by doing conventional question. So, sir, these three things I will use to do daily, sir. After
Correct.
that, sir, you have to take a circle of 2 3 subjects on every day. Like, sir, one subject which is currently running in the classes, one subject which is already done, you just revise that, and one subject you just do previous year question. So, sir, 2 3 subjects will always be there on your schedule, sir, so that there is comprehensive and brief understanding of things, and you can memorize better.
Yeah, that is a very interesting feature what you have added, Kuldeep. And one
Yes,
more,
sir.
while preparing for the prelims examination,
Yes,
apart
sir.
from the prelims questions, which are basically objective type, did you also practice the small conventional questions which are likely asked in the mains exam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, 2 3 months before the exam, I don't solve conventional question. But before that time, I used to solve question because much ample amount of time I have. So, sir, I used to solve conventional questions also after my class. But when the preliminary exam was near, I used to solve only objective questions.
Okay, that is a good approach, Kuldeep. So, what I understood from the discussion is in the beginning, so you can go for the both the prelims questions as well as mains questions.
Yes,
So
sir.
just before 2 to 3 months of before the prelims examination, focus mainly on the prelims part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Then how did you approach this general studies and engineering aptitude paper?
Yes, sir. From the past trends, sir, I have seen many students just don't take care about general studies part because competition is very high. So, sir, you should score high in the GS part also. Basically, there are 10 subjects like math and aptitude. You should very focus on, and after material science, environment, and these are some good subjects you should focus. After that, there are some basic subjects like ethics. You just read book 1 to 2 times and develop basic understanding about that subject. So, sir, on the day of examination, you just do many questions by hit and trial, by any idea, by neglecting options. By doing these hit and trials, you can solve many questions.
But when you go by that method, hit and trial,
Yes,
because
sir.
there is a negative marking in the examination,
Yes,
it
sir.
may prove to be very costly in case question goes wrong.
Yes, sir.
Some
No,
questions
sir.
you can try. Some questions you can try.
No, sir. I'm not going to say like a wild guess. No, sir. I'm
Mm.
just doing you can neglect options just by seeing
Okay.
them sometimes.
Okay, I understand. You mean to say that elimination process.
Elimination
Elimination process. So out of
is
the four
easy.
options,
Yes, sir.
1 or 2 options you can eliminate if you have some understanding.
Yes,
Then
sir.
trying the remaining
Then,
options, right?
then just do this question. One more
Okay.
thing, sir. In an exam, we have 5 to 10 questions that we only know 2 options. That definitely one option from these 2 options. So, sir, I used to do a guess to such questions, and after all, I'm getting some positive marks, sir, from them.
Okay. How many marks you have got in GS paper?
Sir, I'm getting 73 marks.
73 marks. So your
Yes, sir.
main scoring area is that technical, that too in the mains examination.
Yes, sir. Main scoring area is my mains examination, and
Mm.
paper 2 of objective is also very good. I'm scoring 192 marks in that.
Okay, good. Kuldeep, totally how many months of time that you have used for the preparation?
Excuse me, sir.
Totally, how many months of time you have used for the preparation?
A month, sir.
How many
Uh,
months? Or how
sir,
many years? How many years otherwise?
sir, students generally see it as a 2-3 time year exam. Like one should give 2-3 attempts for that. But I would suggest each and everyone that this exam only require 1 year dedicated preparation, and you can just crack it. Sir, for me, same also. I have started in 2019, and prelims is on 2020 January. So, sir, 1 year preparation dedicatedly and with a good motivation, determination is enough.
Okay. So totally a dedicated 1 year preparation is sufficient for this examination.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Even this 1 year of dedicated preparation in this course of journey, sometimes you may become very low, right?
Yes, sir.
And some sort of discouragement, demotivation like this. In such,
Yes, sir.
have you ever subjected this type of things in our preparation?
Yes, sir. Every student just go through these up and downs in the life, lows and highs. I also, sir, when I suggest each and everyone just do not study rigorously, like someone study like whole day and just do nothing. I would say, sir, like do some exercise, yoga, listen music, like see, watch movies sometimes in a weekend. So, sir, these are some activities I also used to do to refresh my mind. So, sir, you can do this so that up and downs are clearly eliminated.
Okay. Can you tell us how you used to do all this, right? Suppose you are studying for 10 hours. At what
Yes, sir.
intervals you used to give the breaks? During the interval, what you used to
Yes,
do?
sir.
Can you add
Sir,
those points?
one my weakness is that I cannot sit for long time period. So, sir, after 1 or 2 hours of study, I just used to see the YouTube. I just see videos for 15 and 20 minutes, like listen songs, or like see PUBG videos. I'm interested, sir. So, sir, you can just refresh your mind.
Right. Okay. Somehow, right. We have to see that refreshment also equally important.
Sir, there
Okay.
were some times, sir, I don't used to study for continuous 15 to 20 days. So, sir, no problem in that. You can take a break from your studies if you are feeling demotivated. Again, there is some burning desire inside you that you should again start your preparation. So, sir, it never matters that you are taking some leave, but overall hard work matters.
Right. Right. Sir. I do agree. If you have a burning desire,
Yes, sir.
automatically you will derive that energy and motivation, everything to do the long, smart hard work required for this examination.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Definitely.
Kuldeep, one more point. Just before 1 week of the examination, let us say 1 week before the prelims examination, 1 week before the mains examination, what you used to do in your preparation?
Sir, I would suggest just do not rigorously follow the hard schedule on these times. Just 5 to 10 days. I used to do relaxing, more of relaxing, sir. My study will go down, and I just do relax and chill mind, sir. So, sir, 5-10 days before, you cannot just do much study, but take some time and do some other activities and keep your mind refreshed and relaxed, sir.
Okay, Kuldeep, tell us something about your interview experience. One or two interesting questions.
Yes, sir. Definitely, I would tell, sir. My interview experience is that, like, my chairman, sir, was TC Anand, sir. They asked me about my background. What are you doing from the past 2 years? And I have mentioned in my def about my college project was given the best BTech project. So they asked about what is that project, how it is best, and after that they passed on technical members. uh, Sir, in UPSC interviews, technical members generally ask you practical questions mainly of civil engineering and some theory based questions. So thus they asked me about pipe bursting problems, hoop stress, and what is longitudinal stress, what is hydraulic machines and turbines, what is different between pump and turbines, low head, high head turbines. And one member asked me about the cement, sand, aggregate, all these testings, bitumen testings. And one
Okay.
member about
Right. Okay. They were all technical questions. Okay. Fine.
yes,
Very good, Kuldeep. Finally, you being one of the topper in this engineering service examination, what advice, what suggestions, what tips that you want to give to the future aspirants of this examination?
yes, sir. Sir, I want to give a advice to the aspirants that you can easily crack this examination with only your dedication, hard work, and your motivation. There are ups and downs in everyone's lives, no problem. Just take a rest. If you are feeling up and down, then just again start your preparation. And 1 year is very enough for its preparation. 1 year for exam process. You can do it by your hard work, and nothing can gonna stop you.
Right. Very good, Kuldeep. I once again congratulate you and also express my sincere thanks for sharing your experience through this platform. I hope the discussion will be very useful for the aspirants of engineering service examination. And
Yes, sir.
one last question I forgot to ask you. In our civil engineering, there are so many subjects, isn't it? Paper one, paper two, etc. And did you cover the entire syllabus?
Yes, sir. I covered entire syllabus.
Okay.
Even, sir, I covered each and every questions that is available in the market, sir. Because, sir, competition is nowadays is very high, sir. You just do a fight with 1 or 2 marks. So, sir, I just do each and every subject, and sir, rigorously
Okay.
I followed.
So you have studied entire syllabus. Okay.
Yes,
In your
entire.
civil engineering, which subjects fetched you more amount of marks in the examination?
Yes, sir. Sir, my priority was always strength of material and structure analysis, because they can change your whole destiny, sir. Because paper one, mains paper one is full of structure and so on. If you just do a simple mistake, then your whole question will be wrong and you will awarded just 2-3 marks. So, sir, I focused mainly on these subjects. After that, sir, fluid mechanics, like hydraulic machines, again soil mechanics, very important. BCM subject, building materials, very important. And sorry, reinforced cement concrete is also very important. These are basic important. Apart from these, highways, hydrology, irrigation, and CPM and part analysis, these are also very important, sir.
Okay. What about these other subjects like airport engineering, railway
Yes,
engineering,
sir.
tunnel engineering, docks and harbors? Normally, these are
Yes,
the
sir.
small topics which are generally
Yes,
needed by
sir.
the students, even the earthquake
Yes,
engineering
sir.
also.
Yes,
What do
sir.
you say about
Sir,
these small topics?
Sir, I would like to say each topic you telling is very important. You should do, but first always cover the best ones. Like most profitable subject, you just do first. Like main subject, then after mediocres, and then after do these subject like tunnel, railway. Sir, for these subjects, just do 2-3 readings. You will just get an idea, basic idea about this. So, sir, you can write something in paper.
Okay, we can say Kuldeep like this. So we have to prioritize the subjects. We have
Yes,
to
sir.
prioritize the subjects. The subjects
Yes, sir.
which are given more weightage, which are more
Yes, sir.
fetching marks, those are to be considered initially, right?
Yes, sir.
And later
Definitely.
on, in the later part of preparation, we have to go and focus on those small, less important subjects. That should be the best approach, right?
Definitely, sir. You should cover all the topics, but prioritize them and do same.
Right. Very good, Kuldeep. I once again congratulate you and
Uh,
thank you for sharing your experiences, right? And I wish you
Thank you
all
very
the
much,
best
sir.
in all your future endeavors.
Thank
God
you
bless
very
you,
much, sir.
Kuldeep. God bless you, Kuldeep.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.